A shifting long-term COVID-19 strategy might be considered after the Chuseok holiday when 70% of the population would have had their first doses. That could include more at-home treatment now being expanded to more patients. Kyung-eun fills us in.
The South Korean government has not mentioned any details on the possible changes to its long-term COVID-19 strategy. But KDCA chief Jeong Eun-Kyung said on Monday the related discussions could start around late September or early October. It is expected that 70% of Korea's population will have gotten at least one dose by then, which authorities have repeatedly said is the minimum floor required for any change in strategy.
We're expecting to reach the 70% target by Chuseok. We believe we can review all possible options by then.
The new approach may focus on managing severely ill patients rather than all cases like now. Doing so would allow the country to use its limited resources more efficiently to treat patients with the greatest need. One way of doing this would be to allow more patients with mild or no symptoms to receive treatment at home. South Korea currently treats almost all of its COVID-19 patients at hospitals or treatment facilities, even though only about 1 in 10 patients develop a severe illness. Most of the patients treated at home are children under the age of 12 and those with childcare responsibilities under the government's initial guidelines. But this month, the government expanded the scheme to more adults. And Seoul City and Gangwon-do Province have begun doing just that. Gyeonggi-do Province actually got an early head start even before the government's announcement. There, starting last month, those under the age of 50 who live alone can receive treatment at home. Some 83% of those who received the service said they were satisfied with the program. Jeju Island is also considering expanding at-home treatment. Some experts have raised concerns over its effectiveness and safety. But more regions are likely to follow amid rising hospital occupancy rates nationwide. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.